According to the family's attorney, Tony Lechner plans to seal his deal with the state on Wednesday. The family is pushing to postpone that hearing and citing the Adnan Syed case as the reason why. More than 8 months after Maryland mom Kimberly Lechner was stabbed to death in her Monkton home and her husband Tony was charged with the murder, the couple's 2 college-age children are pushing to delay his plea hearing and citing the Adnan Syed case in order to do it.
The law demands that more be given to them, and this family deserves better.
That's according to their attorney, Thiru Vignarajah. Lechner will plead guilty and then be found not criminally responsible, Maryland's version of the insanity defense. In Syed, the Maryland Supreme Court said a victim's family must be allowed to meaningfully participate. But the Lechner kids can't do that, their attorney says, because they don't even know how the case got here.
They still don't know anything except the conclusion of what that NCR report would show. They need to be able to look at a redacted copy of that report so that they can understand what this psychiatric expert found to be the case about their father killing their mother.
The decisions made here over the next few days will shape the rest of these kids' lives, their attorney says, in part due to a loophole in state law. The Slayer rule says a defendant cannot profit from a murder they committed, but it does not apply if the defendant is found not criminally responsible.
He is potentially eligible to inherit everything, and the kids, because they're adults and because they're his kids, stand to get nothing.
At this point, that hearing is still on the docket for circuit court on Wednesday, and the family and friends say they still plan to attend. However, they say they're not sure what they would say in a victim impact statement or even if they would give a statement to the court at all. In Towson, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL-TV 11 News.